GM everyone, I'm Yvonne Chan from Think Coffee, and now I'm going to present to you our project Declimer, a decentralized climate intelligence platform that empowers the individuals to mint their environmental sensors and to contribute their real-time and valuable data, and while also earning the rewards. So let me walk you through the project. So this is the main page of our systems. So the lights on the globe indicates that there is an active sensor that's actively contributing the data to our ecosystems. So when you hover, you can see that there is a location. So here is our main page. So you can click on the sensors to navigate to our Sensor Explorer, which will display all of the minted sensors on our ecosystems. So click on one of the sensor. Here you go, you will see the details of the sensors, including the descriptions, the start time, and the location as well. So the users are allowed to download their historical data based on a time frame in the form of CSV or the JSON file. So you can click on download, and there you go. So one of our significant features is that we will fetch the real-time data and also visualize them into a graph form, so every 15 seconds. And also we have integrated OpenAI APIs to analyze the data fetch and also to show you the real-time analysis and the predictions that happen in the next few hours every minute. There we go. So next is the deploying a sensor. So in order to deploy the sensors, the user is required to select and download appropriate firmware scripts to set up the sensor. So you can follow the instruction right over here. So after setting up the sensors, you can click on the start scan. And here you go, the detected sensor. So before we proceed to the data validations, in order for us to check if the sensor is stable or consistently send the data, we need to collect minimum 5 readings. So right now, it already collect 5 readings, so we'll proceed to the data validations. So here undergoes a series of the validation. So you can see the overall score over here. So next is the sensor configuration, which requires the users to fill in their basic details such as CBD, and maybe this outdoor, weather, location, maybe it's Kuala Lumpur, and you can preview your sensor right here. Okay, now let's complete the configurations and deploy the sensors to the blockchain. So now the deployment is going in progress. Tada, you see the sensor is already deployed successfully. And in order to manage your active sensor, you can proceed to the dashboard page where you can see that you have 2 active sensors and also the total rewards that already earned. So now analytics page will show you the comprehensive insights from the global sensor network, such as the number of the active sensors, the global coverage and regional sensor distribution, and so on. So lastly will be the DAO governance that requires the users to stack at least 10 rows in order to access the DAO page. So over here you can see that there are a few of the active proposals that you can click on it, read on it, and also to vote in order to change any configurations or the reward distributions in our ecosystem. So that's it from me, our group. Thank you.